What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a brand new job opportunity where they will pay you anywhere, range here is going to be anywhere from around $30 per hour up to around $50 per hour for this position. And this is a fully remote position, no need to be on the phones, no calls. And again, brand new job lead here that can pay you upwards of $50 per hour. So be sure to stick around if you're looking for a high paying remote work from home job, and you can work just about anywhere in the US. This is a fully remote work from home job. Now, before I get into the details of this job lead, just want to remind you guys of some other jobs that I covered just a few days ago, or probably a day or two ago. So a couple of these jobs will include jobs here on the work from home channel, which include Experian. They were hiring and paying over $1,000 per week in an entry-level, beginner-friendly customer care work from home position. Also, the Home Depot was hiring, and there are other jobs here that were hiring before. Now, most of the older videos or older job leads, they may already be filled, so you won't be able to apply to these jobs. But just to give you guys an idea here, these are some really high paying job leads that I covered in the past. And on this channel, the work from home channel, I'm covering the highest paying remote work from home job opportunities that I can find online. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to this channel. This is my second channel, the work from home channel. And again, this is where I'm posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. Also, when you do come over to this channel, be sure to subscribe. Also, go ahead, turn on all notifications. That way you actually get notified in real time of when I post another job lead, because I'm not always able to find high paying jobs every single day. So whenever I do, and I do post those videos, you'll be able to get the notifications in real time. So you'll be the first to see that and the first to be able to apply to these jobs. So that's one thing. Also, a second thing is if you guys are struggling with your resume or struggling with landing interviews, be sure to check out this resource that I created, the Pro Resume Templates here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which just simply means now that your resume won't be discarded by the system and actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So included here are 3 resume templates. They come broken down as the sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them. Also matching cover letter templates, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You could customize them using Google Docs, which is free. So this means that you could customize these on a MacBook, PC, or just about any device that has an internet connection and a browser. I also included a screen recording showing you guys exactly how to edit these in just about 5 minutes. So again, if you are struggling with your resume or you know that it needs work, this resource is here. Link is down below. So with that covered, let's dive into the job lead for today. So this is going to be at the ICF, and they're currently looking for a web content specialist, and this is a fully remote position. Here it says the web content specialist will be supporting a variety of services for a Bureau of Justice Assistance technical program and other programs within their justice research and victim services portfolio. So some of the main responsibilities here would be to maintain website content and assist with technology tasks. Also provide technical support for delivery of webinars and virtual events using various platforms, support communication and marketing activities, assist with email and digital marketing using an online marketing platform, also support learning management system implementation and administration. They're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree in communications, public relations, social services, marketing, criminal justice, or some other related discipline. Also 4+ years of experience supporting web content management, webinar technical support, and marketing. And preferred skills for this position would include experience with Zoom, knowledge and applicability of Section 508 compliance, experience with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, experience with Constant Contact or similar online marketing platforms, and also experience supporting U.S. Department of Justice programs or initiatives. Again, these are preferred skills, so you don't necessarily have to do these. And for this job, compensation here ranges anywhere from $63,000 to $107,000 per year. So on the lower end, this is going to be right at around $30 per hour, or probably slightly over $30 per hour. And at the higher end of this range, it's definitely going to be over $50 per hour for this position. So if you are interested and you do have a degree in communications, public relations, social services, marketing, criminal justice, or something related, and 4 years of experience, then you could definitely apply to this job, and I'll leave the link down below. So this was another high-paying remote work from home job. Doesn't require you to be on the phones, and you can do this from just about anywhere. Really good benefits here. Also, just in case you guys have never heard about ICF before, I was able to find them on Glassdoor. So overall rating here is 3.6 out of 5 stars. So fairly good, in line with the industry average, which is anywhere from 2.92 to 4.38. So over 2,600 reviews here and over 5,000 reported salaries. So if we take a look at some of the reviews, and the first review here is a 5-star review. This person was working as a senior software engineer. ICF is a good place to work. Pros: a chance to grow and people are great. Cons: no cons, a great place to work. Again, you could go ahead and read all 2,000 or all over 2,600 reported reviews here. You can also take a look at some of the reported salaries to see what real people actually reported making here, depending on what type of job they were doing. So you could search for that particular salary here, but again, the range is anywhere from $30 upwards of $50 per hour. That's what you can expect to make working here in this role. So I'll leave the link down below for anyone that wants to apply. Also, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can, because these jobs are going quickly, especially when they're paying a lot. Jobs that pay over 6 figures usually go very quickly. A lot of people are applying. A lot of qualified and even overqualified people are looking for jobs like these. So I'd say if you are interested, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can. Also, they do have other openings here at the ICF. So similar jobs here would include like a digital media buyer, senior digital communications specialist. This is another remote position. Lead competitive intelligence specialist. This is another remote position as well. Senior communications manager of media relations, another remote position. So quite a bit of remote work from home job opportunities here at the ICF. So again, even if you're not particularly interested in this position, you can still click on the link down below, go over to their careers page, and then you can take a look at all the other job opportunities that they have, because you may be able to find one that you're interested in that fits in with your skills or your education, and then you can apply to that job as well. So with all that covered, this was the job lead for today. Again, I hope these videos are helping you guys in finding high-paying jobs to apply to, and I really hope that you guys find that high-paying job that you're looking for, that gives you a ton of benefits, all the freedom and flexibility that you're looking for. But as always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.